Welcome back to Just Drive It. Today we're going to show you some of the prep work that it's going to take to pull this 1970 Plymouth Sport Satellite out of the junkyard. Come along with us. We're preempting some stuff just because the guys in the yard asked me to do a few things in order for them to get it out and for it to be easier to move. So I'm going to show you what that is. Okay, the gift that keeps on giving. To give you an example, we did a video on this car here back a couple months ago, quite a few months ago actually. But one of the things that we said was it was going to fix parts of that car and another car. Well, you now are seeing the video of the 70 Satellite that we've got. I need these to reconnect the 8 1/4. I need these. I'm going to have to grab a couple of these from the parts store, but otherwise, these right here were missing in almost all the cars in that junkyard. But I've already taken that one off, and the gift that keeps on giving, there's another one right there. Another thing is, even though I'm going to have to do a small amount of patchwork, there is the package shelf that I need for the 70 Satellite, and there's the braces. So the gift that keeps on giving, those pieces are going on there. The other thing is, lo and behold, this thing is missing a torsion bar there, but it has one here, and it has the upper and lower control arms, and it has the spindle and drum on it. Well, the other car has that piece cut and the other piece is missing. This car will give me the torsion bar, and it will also give me the suspension pieces that I need to make that other one a roller and get it out of where it's at. Alright, what we're doing is I went ahead and got new bolts. As you could tell from the video that I shot yesterday about the gift that keeps on giving, here's the place that we pulled off the 68 Fairlane, or not Fairlane, Satellite, and we're in the process of putting this back in. Now, the reason behind that, I've already brought tires over here for them. When they unstack this car, they'll put the tires on and be able to move it. What does it entail to pull one of these cars out, you ask? Well, they have a boom truck that they're going to be using. This car is going to be moved. More than likely, they'll come in through here, so these hoods need to be moved, seat needs to be moved, that kind of stuff. In fact, you'll see a video, that hood goes to that car. Doesn't have fenders, but it does have a hood. So they'll do that. This will get lifted off. They're going to pull it out over here. Now, what may happen, but probably not, if we were doing this in a timely manner, it would go right here. I would take and put the passenger side suspension on it, the other rim and tire, and we would pull it out like we did the other one. To give you an example, this car is here. If you walk right here, the 72 was stacked directly behind this one. So, to show you how close, there's a 71 Charger that was behind it. So the 72 was on this. That gives you a little bit of perspective on what's going on. And yes, sometimes we go through and do a little pre-planning on this because it really is in some cases not as easy as just pulling up, oh, that's the car, and go. Sometimes they're stacked, sometimes they're behind stuff. You just never know. In this case, we're doing it again. We're making this a roller. So, this stuff will get changed out once it's on the ground. But today, because Saturday is going to be rainy, I'm putting these on. And it's going to be fun because I got to figure out how to move this rear end up just a little bit so I can access the bottom of these. Come along with us. this is just a rudimentary install on these, but you can see where we got, once I flipped them around the way they were supposed to be, they went in easy. What we ended up having to do, thankfully Terry had the foresight to do it, we are pulled down with this, so off the K-member, so that this particular section would be up. I did not hook up the shocks. They're air shocks. They're old. They probably leak. I could be wrong, but we did that. The other thing is, and it's not fully installed, it's just rudimentary installed, is I bolted partially back up a column. Next thing up, we're gonna have to go find a steering wheel for that, but that may be a little later, or I may just splurge and go grab one of the sparkly steering wheels like Jed likes, which I like them too. So here we go. Well, now you know what it took to get the rear end back in order and some of the stuff that we're doing just to get everything ready. No big deal, but this is what we do. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe, Rumble if you're on Rumble. Give us a comment, good or bad. We know there's going to be some people like, that's a piece of trash, but hey, it's all good. So, thank you again for watching. Just drive it.